Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 1317 Elmira Street, apartment number 2. This has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and is located on the 2nd floor of the building. So I'm going to walk you through, show you all the great features this amazing apartment has. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely calling home. Also, just a little hint, this is all utilities included in the rent. So pay attention to how fabulous this is, because you might want to move on this really quick. So we're starting outside, so you can take a look at this beautiful neighborhood and obviously the exterior of the home. So we come up the front steps of the property here, and you can see there is a beautiful large porch here that's shared between the apartments, but there's plenty of room to share for everybody to have some space out here if you choose to. So when you come into the entryway here, you are going directly up these steps. You come up here, love the beautiful ornate window. We're going to come right into the apartment. Also, before we go in, I love that there is a little porch light up here, so it's not just totally dark when you're trying to get into your keyless entry. So when we come inside, we are greeted by a little hallway here in the rooms and all of this stuff. So let's just start back here into this eat-in kitchen. So you have this nice wide area here to place a kitchen table and chairs, beautiful, beautiful stainless steel appliances, and stunning updated modern cabinets with a nice L-shaped area there to use for counter space. And there is a plethora of cabinets in here. There is also a little pantry here for storage, which is always fantastic. And there's an exit here. This is your secondary exit, and you could ideally put a chair or 2 out here, maybe a tiny little table, as long as obviously you're not blocking your stairs, but there's room here if you want to use this as your outside space instead of the front porch. We're going to come back down the hall here, and we're going to go right into the bathroom. It is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. You've got a cabinet for storage. You've got multiple bars here for hanging, a beautiful, beautiful large shower, and then you have this gorgeous little vanity, cute modern mirror, and I love the light fixture. We're going to come across the way here. Now, you can slice these rooms up however you want to. This ideally would make a really nice living room, and it's mainly because of how this comes out a little bit. So you can have like a TV stand here or something here, so your TV can go here, and then like a nice like wraparound couch, coffee table, and then you have 2 whole closets for extra storage. So you've got this closet here, and then you have this closet here, and those are pretty standard size, hang bars, shelf, the whole thing. So then you come down the hallway here, and this feels possibly more like a bedroom. So when you come through, you can definitely put a king-size bed in this room. I really love that we've carried through with black hardware, and then we've got beautiful ornate register covers and things like that. And then we have another standard closet with a hang bar and a shelf. And then last but not least, we have the other room here. This is a bit smaller. I would say maybe up to a queen, possibly just a full. But again, it's all up to you how you want to put these spaces. And then this has its own closet as well with a hang bar and a shelf. The last thing that I'm going to show you is the attic space, because you do have a lot of storage here. Now, this is not a finished space. This is not for bedrooms or anything like that, but there is a lot of real estate up here to be able to use for storage. So we have this interior room here. I love that you have like all these ornate original details to the building. And then you have this room here for storage. So there are plenty of opportunities to be able to store your items out from underfoot in the upstairs here to really maximize your space in your apartment. So that all utilities included situation really gets you a lot of bang for your buck. And it's pretty fabulous, right? So what you need to do to call this place your home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to somebody at the office, give us a call at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So get on the website, give us a call today, do whatever you've got to do, because I will be anxiously waiting to help you make this your place.